everyone, this is Jeremy with Roemen's Towing. Today we have one, don't get these too often, but every once in a while we got to do them. Got a customer actually out at the golf course here in Del Rapids. They have a trucking company coming in, bringing them a new mower. So we have to go out there with the rollback, unload it off the semi, because it doesn't have a lift gate on it or anything. We got to unload it off the semi, load it onto our truck, and then we'll have to tip the bed down, unload it off the bed. So real easy, simple job. Shouldn't take very long, but just figured I'd show you one of the other operations that we can do with the rollbacks. So we'll be out there here shortly, and I'll catch you then. Hey, you just want to do it on the road here? Because otherwise it's pretty tight getting up in their parking lot there and stuff.
Yeah, we can do it here. I can do it right now.
Okay.
I'll pull up past this driveway.
Okay, I'll go up and get my truck and then I'll come out here. I'm Jeremy. Yeah, you too.
It's like the first time the tow truck like, I got lots of money. Only half an hour.
I'm just on the other side of town, so. Yeah, if you want to pull past, so the back of your trailer is about 30 feet past the driveway, so I'm not blocking them. Okay. All right. Okay. That truck needs a wash. Bad. There. Let's go out there. Coming here. We need strobes on. We'll just put flashers on. Doors open here. Get some blocks out while we're right in here too, and try to slide the bed back. Oh, I can lift the back of the truck up some too. Let's get some blocks here. Watch your hands there. Can you slide those blocks over to me? Thank you. There you go, back a smidge more.
To the retaining wall, and they use it like a ramp.
Good. Thank you.
Eyeball your hook there, so I thought I better slam.
I'll just pull ahead towards the mailbox and then I'll tip you down. Kick up the RPMs on this one. Maybe. Keep her from rolling. Yep, thank you. As long as I got your, just have you sign on there for your boss.
Got it.
Okay.
Beauty.
All right.
He took care of you on the phone? Or
Yep, I got to call him here and he's going to take care of me. So. All right. Thank you. All righty.
Awesome. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah. Enjoy.
Alrighty. That was a real simple, quick one. Got that done, got them unloaded. Now they can go mow. Getting right into that season now too, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Catch you next time.